Rarely does history present us with an opportunity to showcase our unity and collective strength to the world. History is like a battlefield after the war, littered with well-meaning, well-thought-out plans of mice and men that have tried to capture the imagination of a multitude of people to rally together for a common use and a common cause. To the people of Sisdac nation of the world, we are now faced with such time as this. Yesterday you would have received the terrible news of the destruction by fire of our worship centre in our beloved country of Samoa. Investigations continue to unfold as to the true cause of this fire. It would be premature and mischievous of me to label it as a work of arson or even refer to it as a misadventure of the most tragic type by one of our own. That is speculative and dangerous. But what I am certain of is this. It is no coincidence that this has happened at a very moment in time as our worldwide mission outreach program. It is not by simple chance that the Sabbath message was about to be preached in Samoa. It is nothing new to remind our Sisdac nation that the devil and his army of agents are enemies of the message that we carry. Wanao Yesu e Faamalosi. Furthermore, as of late, Samoa has become a centre of religious debate and focus around the very issue of Sabbath keeping amongst our brethren in the SDA Church. And I should remind you that any sovereign nation that is bold enough to have as their motto, "E whawai le tua Samoa," will be a target of these evil forces. We do not fight a physical or mental battle, but we are in spiritual battle for the hearts and minds of our people. It is a fight that will manifest itself in many a battle, and first we will win some battles and lose others. We will win the war, for we will not be defeated. Dearly beloved, hearken here to the message and rally yourself. Whilst they will burn, or they may burn our buildings made of mortar and stone, we will build again. They can burn our chairs and our furnishings, but we provide more chairs and more furnishings. Jesus is the president of our church, and he is the leader and the supreme commander. And let history record that we will not be defeated. We will triple our efforts to carry out that which we have accepted, the message of salvation to all of Samoa, to all of mankind. This message that has divided our families, brought so much pain and division, this message of hope for the world that has gone astray. A world that must hear the message, Wanao Yesu e Olai. Let history show that this man-made fire that burnt down our man-made structures has ignited a fire of courage. It has fanned a strong wind beneath our wings. It has emboldened us to new and brighter beginnings. I implore you all to rise and take heed. Let us rebuild the walls. Let us unite. Let us prepare to give our time, our money, our resources, our hearts, our minds to show to the world that when you try and burn us down, we, the Sisdac nation of the world, will not be defeated. We will rebuild. From the ashes of the Sisdac Centre of old will rise a new initiative, a new living monument will be used for glory of God. We will build walls that will march. We will build walls that will match our resolve. We will use sand, mortar, water that will unite with a bond mightier than any man or weapon can destroy. We will build a foundation that no man or evil force can put asunder. I urge the Sisdac nation of the world that we will build an army of people that will carry the flame of this fire and reignite our passion for the message. Join with me and our leaders to lift our efforts, make the human superhuman, make the impossible possible, make a miracle happen in Samoa, and let history record for all eternity that on this day, the 20th of September 2012, we, the people of the Sisdac nation, have united as one and sent a message to the world that we will not be defeated. God bless. My name is Pastor Auimatangi Presage, your family elector.